Welcome back to the car updates. The 2025 BMW M6 was introduced as a reimagined version of the classic M philosophy. It came equipped with a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8, delivering upwards of 617 horsepower and massive torque, ensuring blistering acceleration and a top speed electronically capped at around 155 miles per hour. What made this version special was its dual personality, aggressive when pushed, yet comfortable and composed on longer journeys. BMW's engineering allowed the M6 to feel as much at home on a racetrack as it did on a cross-country highway, thanks to adaptive suspension, customizable drive modes, and precise steering feedback. Moving into the 2026 model, BMW took things even further. The new M6 doesn't just rely on brute force, it represents the company's commitment to modernizing performance for a more sustainable future. The engine still offers immense power. This hybrid assistance doesn't take away from the visceral thrill of driving. It actually enhances throttle response. The result is a car that accelerates faster than ever, while also being more efficient and environmentally conscious. Design-wise, both the 2025 and 2026 M6 models command attention. The 2025 version leaned heavily into muscular lines. By 2026, the design had been sharpened even more, with sleeker aerodynamics, updated lighting signatures, and aggressive detailing that made it clear this was not just any luxury coupe, it was an M car. The wide wheel arches, carbon fiber roof, and optional aerodynamic packages give it both visual drama and functional benefits, reducing drag and improving downforce at higher speeds. Step inside, and both models showcase BMW's focus on driver-centric design. The 2025 model introduced an updated cockpit with a large curved display that integrated digital gauges and alongside high-quality leather, carbon fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting. In the 2026 M6, expanded use of sustainable materials and enhanced comfort for long-distance drives. Yet, despite the high-tech and luxury touches, the cabin retains a sporty edge, reminding you that this is a machine built for performance. Performance is, of course, the heart of the M6 experience. Both years offer jaw-dropping acceleration, precise handling. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system plays a major role, offering incredible traction in all conditions, but with the flexibility to deliver a more rear-wheel drive feel when you want to push the car harder.